If you are looking for a budgeting app that is above the rest, then you're in the right place. Today we're having a look at YNAB. We're also having a look at Spendee. We want to know what it is that they're offering and why you should actually be using either one of them. So let's check them out. So first up, let us talk about budgeting. So arguably the most important feature of pretty much any personal financial app. YNAB is known for its proactive budgeting approach, and it's all about giving every dollar a job and staying ahead of your own expenses. However, it does require manual input for most transactions, which of course can be time consuming. Next, let's talk about credit monitoring, a critical aspect of overall financial health. So YNAB doesn't really offer any credit monitoring features, however it does focus solely on budgeting. Number 3, identity protection. Now, of course, we all know that identity theft is a growing concern. So how does a financial app protect your personal information as well as your money? Well, YNAB doesn't include any identity protection features. As mentioned earlier, it is strictly a budgeting tool. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so one of the best things you can do is get a dedicated app to help you manage your money. So we're looking at Spendee now, and it is an all-in-one money manager. You can connect literally everything. So you can link multiple bank accounts and e-wallets for automated transaction imports and smart categorization. You can monitor your income and expenses with an award-winning interface praised for its simplicity as well as its elegant design. And you can handle personal and family budgets in a centralized platform. This eliminates the need for multiple financial tools and bouncing from one to the next and getting confused with what you're using and where it's all kept. Some of their powerful features that can help you master your finances include their automated recurring bills. So you can set up scheduled transactions for rent, utilities, and insurance to streamline your financial tracking. You can create personalized labels to organize spending by needs, wants, occasions, or even preferred payment methods. You can also receive intelligent notifications to maintain your budget discipline, and you can do this to also never miss recording important transactions. Let's have a look at some of their advanced features here. So they have web analytics. You can access powerful web app features for bulk transaction editing, CSV imports, and comprehensive spending analysis beyond just the mobile capabilities. You can create multiple budgets with the intelligent real-time notifications at 75 and 90% spending thresholds to maintain financial discipline overall, and you can manage international expenses effortlessly with multi-currency wallets which support the hashtag labeling as well, and it is seamless for travel tracking. One of their pro tips is combining the web app analysis with the mobile convenience for complete financial control, literally wherever you are. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, two of the top dogs in this industry. Now, if this was helpful, go ahead and drop us a like to show your support. And always remember, go and use the software, put it in a practical scenario and see if it really works for you.